Hi everybody, thanks for checking the channel again, appreciate it. Here in this wonderful state of Wisconsin, it's gorgeous out once again, not raining finally. I'm working my buddy's trailblazer, fixing the air conditioning on it. What a pain in the ass. So basically, to get the AC compressor out, which was shot, you gotta take out the battery top, the battery tray, which is a pain in the ass because there's two bolts that go down there that are rustier than all hell. Two bolts that go over there, and then the hold down nut on there has to come all the way off. Then you gotta take off the belt, obviously. There's gonna be a bracket right here you gotta take off the AC lines so those can maneuver around. Then you gotta take the alternator off. One of the bolts got seized in the alternator. Then you gotta take off, there's an idler pulley that goes down here. There's a bolt here, and then there's another one that goes, I believe, right there for the that pulley. When you get all that shit off, then the AC compressor is down there with 4 bolts. Well, you gotta take the AC line, which this fucker right here, which was completely seized in there. I spent about 45 minutes of soaking this goddamn thing to get that out. Got all that out to find out the new AC compressor does not have the stud that the old one has, and the old stud is seized in there completely. I'll actually show you what I'm talking about here. So if you buy one of these pieces of shit, you know, to fix it. This right here is a stud. You gotta take this thing out. You got one connector here to unplug, and then you gotta take this out, and the 4 bolts. This stud is seized. If you can get this out, good for you. I could not. So I had to find a stud to put in there because the new one just comes with a stupid bolt that is way too short. So yeah, trailblazer. Better known as junk, garbage. So waiting to get that stud to put that piece of crap back in. Accumulator was actually easy to get at. Under that one connector, that's 16 for the nut to take that off. 13s for these nuts, pull that line off. It goes down back, and there in the bottom of that line there's a 13 also. And you got a 10 right there, loosens up, you pull it off. That black thing right there comes off the old one, slides in the new one. You slip the thing in there, tighten it all down. If you're doing an orifice tube, it's right there. This is the passenger fender well but air filter. You gotta take the air box off. I took the coolant line off, it's just easier. It won't leak out anywhere, it just pulls off. And then underneath it is the line. Getting that thing in and out was a pain in the ass, but I got it. So that's where we're at with this fucking thing now. To loosen the belt tensioner on here is just a 3/8 drive ratchet, and you push it down to loosen the belt. But yeah, that's fun I'm having right now. 4200 Vortec garbage. Same thing as a Envoy, whatever you want to call it, boy. I call them junk because these things, never been a fan of these, and I'm still definitely not. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, appreciate it. We'll catch you guys later.